I've borrowed this wacker plate off a friend of mine. He's not used it for a couple of years. I tried starting it yesterday and I was struggling to get it going, but I think it needs some new fuel in it. It's got a bit in, but I'm going to tip it out, put some fresh in. Right, 200 quid, it's all there. Cheers, see you later.
Useless to useful, that's my plan. It's simple but it's true. To make the most of worn out things, turn old stuff into new. From rusty tools to scraps of wood, let's turn the bad to good. Turn old spare parts to works of art. Recycle cause we should. Useless to useful makes good sense. It's the mantra for my soul. Up to my nuts and sparks and dust to reach a common goal. In skips, I've looked in bins, I've taken what I found. I took things home to save their lives, as crazy as it sounds. To bin this stuff just makes no sense. Materials have worth. It's a simple plan, recycle if you can. We might just save the earth. Useless to useful makes good sense. It's the mantra for my soul. Up to my nuts and sparks and dust to reach a common goal. Useless to useful makes good sense. It's the mantra for my soul. Up to my nuts and sparks and dust to reach a common goal.
Right, I think I'm where I need to be for this weekend. I filled that hole a couple of weekends ago with 10 tonne of hardcore and it wasn't full, so I needed to order some more. So I rung the guy where I got the hardcore from and I said, I think I need another 5 tonne of hardcore. Now bearing in mind the first 10 tonne of hardcore cost me 200 quid. And he says, right, yeah, 5 tonne of hardcore, 200 quid. And I says, it was 200 quid for 10 tonne last week. And he says, oh yeah, it's 200 quid minimum delivery sort of thing, so it was going to cost me £40 a tonne for 5 tonne. So I cancelled it and I thought, well, what am I going to do, because I don't need 10 tonne, or I didn't think I needed 10 tonne, but I didn't want to pay 200 quid for 5 tonne when I could get 10 tonne for 200 quid. So I thought about it, and so what I've decided to do, I've had 10 tonne delivered. I've put about 5 tonne in that hole, so I've got 5 tonne left. Now, rightly or wrongly, and I'm ready to take criticism for this if this is the wrong way to go, but this is what I'm going to do anyway. I'm going to use the other 5 tonne of hardcore for my ballast, and I'm going to mix that with cement and probably a bit more sand, and I'm going to use that for the concreting. Now, if that's the wrong thing to do, stick it in the comments. I'm ready for it, but that's what I'm going to do. So basically, I will have filled that hole and concreted it for 400 quid, well, plus the cement, which is probably going to be another 100 quid. But I think that's a lot cheaper way of getting ballast, because I'm reckoning, I don't know what the price ballast was, but I'm reckoning it's more than £20 a tonne. So I'm ready, like I said, I'm ready to take criticism. If that's the massively wrong way to go, let me know and I might change my mind, but I'm thinking that should be fine, because that's just brick dust, isn't it? And that's all sand is. It's ground down sandstone. But I might be wrong, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. What I've also got is an oil drum, because there's an hose pipe ban where we are, so I've got an oil drum, and I've cut the top off of that. I'll show you how I cut the top off of that next week. So we're set up and ready to go next week. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week. Cheers, bye.